Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about steering systems in newer vehicles versus older vehicles. And technology is one of my favorite things to talk about when we're talking in the automotive world. I mean, we all know we're heading into a percentage of EVs, electric vehicles, versus ICEs, which is internal combustion engine vehicles. You hear people talk about these acronyms. That's what they mean. As far as that goes, so today I just want to talk about steering systems a little bit. A lot of vehicles these days, newer vehicles, have gone to electronic steering. We don't have the hydraulic power steering system anymore. Therefore, you don't need to clean and flush the power steering system like you did on older vehicles, which was important to prevent leaks and seal failures and power steering rack failures. We have now gone to, like I said, full electronic. These bring their own type of concerns here and there. But to be honest with you, they work really well on most vehicles. There is no maintenance to them except for preventing any damage to them as far as getting hit or anything from something. Electronic steering systems are a lot more responsive and save gas mileage because they reduce drag on the engine, such as a hydraulic system. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.